Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome back because right now I'm already created the updated version of the Pinterest profile version 2. I call it version 2 because I already have the version 1 which is not that good because it doesn't get the followers and the following. Here it gets the follower, the following, the pin, and the website of the profile in Pinterest. Okay. Here it's finding the niche. Specific leads on Pinterest can be nightmares, endless scrolling, duplicate accounts, and wasted time. Okay, that's why we built the Pinterest Scraper version 2, a lightweight, fast desktop application that logs in, targets niche, and pulls profile data automatically. As you can see, it's already done, and I got let me see right now. I'm going to save the profile. It says the Birch Bam or Barn. Okay, I'm going to go there right now and open that application. I mean the Excel sheet. Going to check. All right, and okay, that's the one. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to get this, cut the data. I'm going to put the data on my other sheet which is the version 1 because I'm doing this scraping task for another client. Okay, now I'm going to save this. You can see it's version 4 dash or underscore it's 0 or that version 1. Okay, I'm going to close this. Save this. It's blank. Okay, it's blank. Then I'm going to close, and then here I'm going to close this out. Right. Okay, and then I'm going to open that up once again. The application is just a Pinterest scroller.py because that's Python. It's a Python app. As you can see, this is the dev tool, and it will going to show you the activity, right, that we are doing on the on Pinterest. But I'm not going to show that to you. I'm just going to show you the actual profile. So I'm going to log in. Okay, that's Shadow Tech at okay gmail.com, and then I'm going to put my password here, and then I'm currently on DIY. So and then I'm going to get the 0 to 500 followers range, and I'm going to get the bio. Currently, I'm just going to get 50 profiles at a time so that Pinterest will not going to block me or tag me as a bot. In anyway, the scraper will not going to be tagged as a bot because I I design it to make sure that it acts as a human-like browsing or logging in to Pinterest. Going to start now. As you can see on the background, it will going to log in, right? And then, right, we're going to start scraping in the next few seconds, all right? All right, and yep, it's going in the process of getting the profiles. Even though for instance, I'm just doing the DIY scraping or the niche for DIY. In case it detects the profile that we already done that before, it will going to check this JSON profile or JSON file that we have, and all the handles are already here. All the handles that I got earlier and are already here. So if those profile or handle are already here, right, it will going to be uh, removed from the scrape data. Okay, we're talking about per niche. Okay, here per niche, the duplication, bio, website, filters, follower range, targeting CSV, export, plus real-time login or logging. So you see exactly what's happening. As you can see, we're currently all right, and couldn't find a pin for this search, but keep on searching until it find the right profile. Okay, and then choose it will going you have to choose your niche, and then after that it will going to collect the names, right, of the name of the profile names, the bios, followers, if the monthly views is in public. Yeah, we can I mean the scraper can also do that, can also get the monthly views, but if not, then it will going to get the website instead. All right, so in a nutshell, it will going to get to collect names, the bios, the followers, the following, right? The pin and the website. If the scraper able to get the what you call this monthly views, we are lucky. Okay, so no more manual scraping or manual searching, no more messy spreadsheet, just clean targeted data for marketing outreach and probably lead generation or research, right? Subscribe now and get more automation tools like this because your time is too valuable, okay? So if you're going to do it manually, it's just a waste of time. Waste of clicking um, data or link in Pinterest. Okay. Until the next video.